Okay, boys, decimal multiplication, especially, you know the multiple of tens. If I say the multiples of 10, if a number has 0 at the end, we can say the number is a multiple of 10. Okay? For example, let's say 30 is a multiple of 10. Yes? No, 30 is a whole number. Excuse me. 30 is a whole number. Yes? Uh, in the same way, if I say a multiple of 100, okay? So there will be two zeros at the end of the number. So it means it will be the multiple of 10 as well as 100. Remember, every multiple of 100 is a multiple of 10 as well. Okay? In the same way, if there are three zeros at the end, we say it's a multiple of 1000 and so on. Okay? Clear? Now, how we will do the multiplication? For example, the multiplication with the tens, the multiplication with the 100, or even the multiplication, like if you have to multiply with 10, or you have to multiply a number with 100, or you have to multiply a number with 1000, or you have to multiply a number with 10,000, doesn't matter how you will multiply. If the number is a whole number, if the number is a whole number, let's say it's 15 multiplied with 100. The number is a whole number, okay? There are two things that you have to remember here. If the number is a whole number, so what will you do? If you are multiplying with 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, million, doesn't matter, okay? So the method will be same. In that case, if the number is a whole number, so what will you do? Simply, what will you do? Just with the number, you will write that number of zeros. Like how it would be 15, and as 100 has two zeros, so write two zeros. Okay? For example, if you have 1000, you have to multiply this with 1000. So how will you do that one? To multiply this one, Ibrahim, please look at the board. Ibrahim, look at the board, I said. Now, in this case, 17, now three zeros of this 1000 and one zero from here. So total four zeros you will write. Okay? This is the multiplication with a whole number with 10, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000 like that. Okay? Now, the second thing is, what if you have a decimal number and you have to multiply a decimal number with 10, 100,000, 10,000, something like that? Remember one thing, please. If in the multiplication, the decimal point, in the multiplication, the decimal point will move toward the right side. The decimal point shift toward the right side. Okay? And in division, in case of division, if you are multiplying, the decimal will move to the right side. Multiplying with 10, 100,000, I'm saying, okay? Like that. And if you are dividing in the division, the decimal point always moves to the left side. Okay? Got it? If a number has no decimal, it means the decimal is at the end of the number. For example, in 30, the decimal will be here. In 15, the decimal will be here if we need to shift it. So let's say you have to multiply, for example, 12.5, you have to multiply with 10. Now, as I told you in the multiplication side, please. In the multiplication, what will happen? The decimal have to shift on the right side. As you are multiplying with 10, 10 has only one zero. So it means the decimal will shift only one digit to the right side. Mishari? Mishari? The decimal will shift only one digit to the right. Okay? So what it will be? Look, if the decimal will shift from here to here, it means it will be like from here you will shift that 125, and the decimal point at the end we don't write. Yes? That is, for example, if you have let's say and you have to multiply this one with 100. Now there are two zeros, yes, so the decimal have to shift two digits. One digit is already there, one digit is already there, yes. So it means the other digit, how will you make it? You will put a zero, because look, 100 has two zeros, yes. So decimal will shift two places, it will jump two places, it will jump two places. If it will jump two places, there was only one place here, it means other extra place you will create by writing a zero. Okay, yes.
So sir, if we if like if there is only one digit and we are multiplying, so we want extra, we will only add zero.
Yes, we will add the zero. Got it?
Even if we divide and there is only one digit, we will add
Then
zero.
we will put the zero. I'm coming to the division also. In the division, what we will do, for example, let's say, I'm going to say here, you have same example, let's take 12.5 and you are dividing with 10 now. Look, I can write it in this way, or there is an alternative way to write. It is 12.5 divided with 10. Now, when you are dividing, the decimal have to shift on the left side, yes?
Yeah.
Yes or not?
Yes, yes.
So now how many digit it will jump? The same number of zeros. It's one zero, yes?
Yeah.
So it means the decimal will jump from here to here. So it will become 1.25.
Yes.
Mishari. Now let's say I'm writing here a number. Move to your exercise questions. I have here it's a learner book page number. Now you can open your learner books and raise your hand if you want to answer this. First of all, look at the part A. What do you think, boys? Raise your hand. How we will do it? How many zeros are there? How many zeros are there? Yes, Mishari. With 1000 in part A, with 1000, how? 30. And what are we doing here? Yes, Nazar. Don't tell the answer. I'm asking something else. We are multiplying, it means the decimal should move to the right side. In multiplication, the decimal moves to the right side. Ibrahim, got it or not?
Yes.
How many digit? Huh? Sorry? Look. Wait, Nasser. Let him say. As there are three zeros, so decimal have to jump three digits. Yes? One digit is already there, two. It means the other two you have to put zero. So he is correct. It will be
7,200.
200. Yes? It will jump three digits.
Yes, sir.
Again, please remember, if it is multiplication, so the decimal will jump from decimal will jump to the right side, okay?
Yes.
And in case of division, the decimal will jump to the left side. For example, in the part B, now what is this? Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Muhammad Said. Yes, what do you think? How many zeros are there? Two. And it's a multiplication. Okay, in multiplication, what we do? To the right side. Remember, this is only when you are multiplying with 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Okay? Got it or not? With 1, you are having the zeros. This method will not be applicable for every number. Got it? Now, in this case, what it would be? There are two zeros. It means the decimal should jump two digits. 85 only. Yes? Okay, for the next, now, what is your name, boy? Excuse me. What is your name? Abdurrahman? Abdurrahman, what do you think here? If 4.28 multiply with 10. Look, it's only one zero, yes? It means the decimal will jump one digit to the right side. It means what it will be? Yes, Yusuf.
42.8.
42.8. Very good. Okay.
Yes.
Now, what about this one? Remember that as we are dividing now, in the division, look, this is a whole number. There is no decimal there. It means that at the end you will consider the decimal.
Yes, sir.
There are two zeros. It means the decimal from here will jump here. Yes. So it will become 6.7, and zero at the end. Even you write or you don't write, that doesn't matter. Okay. In this case, what it would be? Yes.
Okay, there is three digits. There is three zeros in this number, so we will go to left three times. So it can be 0.151.
Good. There are three zeros. Yes. It means from here it will jump three digits. So it will be here 0.151. And it is always like a tradition to write zero before the decimal. So it become more visible. Like so 0 point mean the whole part is zero for this one. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Yes. Good. Okay. What about this one? Anybody would like to answer this? Excuse me, Muhammad. What do you think? What it would be? It's 5.5. Good. The decimal will jump only one digit to the left side. 0.5. Okay. Is that clear? Have you completed in your books? It's for learner book page 14. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's have a look at the next question. Shh. Yeah, sorry, 0.55 because it's a 5.5. Yeah, it's 0.55. Clear?
Clear.
Okay, let's say question boys, write the letter of the card, that is like there are some cards given there. Each card has a number. Excuse me, Abdul Aziz. Look at these number cards. We are having some number cards here. Yes. You can see each card is having a number written on this one. Now there is a statement written there. You have to tell, for example, in the part A, it is 1000 times bigger than 12. Look, if a number is 1000 times bigger than 12, what it would be? Yes. Look, no, it's 1000 times bigger than 12. 12,000. Okay. So which one shows 12,000? Is the C. It means you will say is the C. Yes. Got it or not?
Yeah. So
Mean
1,000.
the card C is having 12,000 on that.
Sir, so you mean that 1,000 times bigger than 12? That means it's multiplying 1,000
Yes,
by 12.
multiplying 1000.
Okay.
Okay, next 100th of 12. What does it mean? What does it mean when we say hundreds of a number? Yes, but it's a 12. Yes, mean 12 divided by
100.
100. And 12 divided by 100, what it would be?
0.12.
0.12. Yes, so it's D. Okay, 1,000th of this. Look, if you are having 120,000 and you want a thousandth of this, mean divided by 1,000.
It will be
These three zeros you can cancel with three zeros. Yes. So what you are left with? 120. And where is 120? It is E.
120.
Yes.
Yes.
Clear?
Clear.
Okay. Next we have
We're using this.
Okay, excuse me. Now, wait. Ali, please focus. Uh, Question is, Mira, divide the number by 10, then by 10 again, and then by 10 again. 3 times divide by 10, okay? Mean if, look, first time divide by 10, look, when we divide one time by 10, so the decimal jumps to the left side one place, yes?
Yes.
Okay, then she divided again by 10, it means it will jump another place, yes?
Yes, sir.
When she divided third time, so it will jump another time again. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So 3 times she divided, so it means the decimal has jumped 3 times. No, her final answer was this one. It means to reach this one, this decimal has jumped 3 places. It means what number she started with? Yes, 5. Because she already, this is her answer, yes. And we know she jumped 3 times. She jumped the decimal 3 digits. Because when she will divide by 10, the decimal will jump one place. If she will divide another 10, the second place. Another time, third place. So it means her answer she started with a 5. Sorry.
Sir, I have no question. Can you say like
Okay.
just try to multiplication so because I'm sure
Got it or not? For example, look, this was the number 5 as we are saying. When she divided first time, so it means it will become 0.5. Yes. Then next time when she divided 0.5, when next time she divided 0.5 with 10, now another point it will jump. So it will be 0.05. Then next time when she divided, so it will jump another, so 0.005. Got it or not?
Sir, can you multiply 0.005 with 1,000?
Yes, it will be because 10, 10 and 10 make 1,000. That is also another way you can use. Clear, boys, everyone? Understood? Write the operations to complete these multiplication and division loops. Like we are having here, first of all, it's a 3.5. If the arrow is going on that side, we got 0.37. Something has been done to this one. If you notice, the decimal has jumped one place to the left side. Yes? Yes or not?
Yes, sir.
And the decimal jumped to the left side when we divide. Yes? Yes or not? And it jumped only one place. It means we divide it with the 10. Yes? Okay, and in the same way, now when we are going from here to here, you can notice that the decimal has jumped 2 places to the right side. Yes?
Yes.
No, it has jumped to 2 places to the right side. And when the decimal moves to the right side, it means what we have done here?
Multiplying.
We have done the multiplication. Yes? We multiplied with what? It has jumped 2 places, so it means it's with 100. Yes? Yes, please. Now, next for this one, look at that. From this number, if we are going to this one, so what is happening there? The decimal has jumped one digit to the right side. And when it jumped to the right side, it means what do we do? Multiplication and division? Multiplication, yes? This one. Okay?
Yeah.
Now, look at that one, this number. Nasser, please. So as it has jumped one decimal to the right side, it means it was a multiplication with the 10. Yes? Okay, look at this one. If we are going from here to here, it has the decimal here. No decimal shown mean it is at the end. So it has jumped 3 places. It means 3 places to the left side. It means we divided it with 1,000. Yes? Now, in this case, if we are moving from here to here, again the decimal has jumped 2 places to the right side. And when it moves to the right side, it means
Multiplication.
we have multiplied. As it has jumped 2 places, means we have multiplied with 100. Okay? Now, what about this one? Same. Now you can do it on your own. I'm going to give you a minute. Do it. Same is the case with this one. If you are moving, look from here to here, the decimal has jumped one place to the right side, and when it moves to the right side, it means it's a multiplication. It's only one place to the right, mean with the 10. And if you are moving from here to here, the decimal has jumped two places to the right side. It means it's a multiplication with 100. And if you are moving from here to here, it's a the decimal has jumped now to the left side three places. It means it's a division with the 1000. Now the next one, this is already very simple. We did yesterday question of this type. Is in 9 for 90. For 1 it will be between 10, and then next this will be 0.9, yes, and 0.06, and then the last will be 0.009. Ah, sorry, one. Sorry. Thank you. Because it is in ones place, okay?
Yes, sir.
So it will be 10. Now in this case, write the number 6 tenths. Look, it is 6 tenths, 400, and 5000 that decimal. Look, 6 tenths, 0.6. Then 500, it will come in the hundredth place. Yes?
No, sir.
Sorry, 4. It is 400, 5000.
Yeah.
Okay? Yes. In the same way, in this number, complete the table to show what digits in the number. For example, there are 4 tenths. What about 5? So I will say 5 tenths because 5 is in the tenth place. 6, 6,000,
One.
and 7 ones.
One or units.
Ones are units. Both can be used. Okay.